Before you touch that wrench, watch this. Most drivers think oil changes are simple, but even a small mistake can ruin your engine and cost you thousands. These are the 9 most common oil change mistakes that mechanics see every week, and at the end, I'll give you one bonus mistake that even car guys screw up. Stick around, because your engine's life might depend on it. Number 1, using the wrong type of oil. Not all motor oil is the same. Every engine is designed for a specific viscosity and formula, like 5W30 synthetic or 0W20 full synthetic. Using the wrong oil can reduce lubrication, cause overheating, and break down critical engine seals. Always check your owner's manual or look under the oil cap, not just the bottle on sale. Number 2, overfilling the oil. More isn't better. Overfilling oil causes foam and pressure inside the crankcase, which leads to blown seals and a smoking engine. Always add slowly and check the dipstick twice after waiting a few minutes. Don't eyeball it. Number 3, not tightening the drain plug. This one's brutal. You think everything's fine until your oil leaks out on the road. A loose drain plug is a common rookie mistake, and it can drain your oil mid-drive, leading to total engine failure. Always torque it down properly, not too tight, not too loose. Number 4, forgetting the old oil. If the old rubber gasket sticks to the engine and you install a new filter over it, boom, you've got a leak waiting to happen. Always inspect the old filter to make sure the rubber ring came off. If not, you'll lose oil pressure fast. Number 5, not changing the filter at all. Some people just top off the oil and ignore the filter. That's like putting clean water through a dirty coffee filter, pointless. Your oil filter catches metal, dirt, and sludge. Not replacing it just recirculates garbage through your engine. Number 6, using a cheap or wrong size filter. That $3 knockoff filter might cost you a $3,000 rebuild. Filters need to fit tightly and withstand heat and pressure. Cheap ones can collapse inside or burst. Always buy a name brand and cross-check the exact part number. Number 7, not letting the engine warm up first. Doing an oil change on a completely cold engine means you leave a lot of old sludge behind. Let it run for 3 to 5 minutes. That warms the oil up just enough to flow out completely, taking contaminants with it. Number 8, forgetting to reset the oil light. Skipping the reset doesn't hurt the engine, but it can mess up your maintenance schedule. Your ECU uses that light to track mileage and service intervals. Always reset it through the dash or infotainment system. Number 9, not checking for leaks after. You finish the job, clean up, feel good, but never check under the car. Always start the engine, let it run for a minute, then inspect underneath and around the filter. Just 30 seconds can prevent a roadside breakdown. Bonus mistake, ignoring oil change intervals. Modern engines and synthetics can go longer between changes, but not forever. Skipping oil changes completely or delaying them by 5,000 miles plus causes internal sludge, clogged valves, and irreversible wear. Check your owner's manual, not TikTok. Your car doesn't care what they said, it cares what's actually inside it. That's 9 stupid oil mistakes, plus one bonus, that could destroy your engine. Want more smart car tips? Hit that like button. Subscribe to Truth Tuned. Stay smart, drive safe, and we'll see you in the next one.